Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have studied that the Iona, protagonist of the story The Lament, tries to share his feeling with the officer and the two lanky and humpback person, but he was not able to share his feelings because nobody was listening to him. Now, when we ended our story in previous video, we have studied that two lanky persons and a humpback is there in his cab, and they are continuously speaking and he is not able to speak to them. Now let's start our story, part 2, page number 5. Iona feels at his back, the little man wriggling and the trembles in his voice. When he was driving his cab, due to humpback person was standing on his back, he feels some mischiefs on his back and trembles in the voice. He listens to the insult hurled at him, sees the people, and little by little the feeling of loneliness leaves him. And whatever insult was done by the humpback person, Iona was listening it quietly, and he was watching the people, and the feeling of loneliness is leaving him because there is now noise around him, there is some activity around him. The humpback goes on swearing until he gets mixed up in some elaborate 6-foot oath or chokes with coughing. And humpback was scolding, abusing Iona till then. He choked his माउथ विद द कफिंग. जब तक कि उसके खांसी से उसका गला चौक नहीं हो गया तब तक हम्बक पर्सन बोलता ही रहा. The Lankies began to talk about a certain Nazida Petrovna, and the other two lanky persons were talking about a girl, Nazida Petrovna. Iona looks round at them several times. He waits for a temporary silence, then turning round again, he murmurs. Iona wanted to share his feelings, so many times he turns back and tries to speak something, and he was waiting for his silence so he could able to speak something, and he got an opportunity to speak something when they have a temporary silence. My son died this week. He spoke slowly that his son died this week. Then we must all die, sighed the humpback, wiping his lips after an attack of coughing. Then the humpback person speaks that we all have to die one day, and he was cleaning his lips due to attack of coughing. Now hurry up, gentlemen. I really cannot go any further like this. When will he get us there? So now humpback person tells to Iona that do hurry. I cannot stand like this for a long while. We should reach there fastly. Well, just to stimulate him a little in his neck, now the humpback person is telling to Iona that he should shake his horse, or he should wipe his horse at in the neck of the horse so he could move fast. You old pest, do you hear? I will bone your neck for you. Now again humpback person is scolding or abusing Iona, and he is telling that are you not listening me, that do fast, otherwise I will crack your neck. If one treated the like of you with ceremony, one would have to go on foot. And if somebody will do this, he should be punished. Do you hear, old serpent Gorinach, or do you not care a split? And again he is abusing and scolding to Iona to move fast. Iona hears rather than feels the blow they deal him, and Iona was listening it quietly, and he was moving ahead. He only giggles, he laughs. They are gay young gentlemen, God bless them. And he's telling that they are young people, God should bless them. Cabby, are you married? Asked a lanky one. And the one lanky person asked to Iona that he is married person or not. I, he, gay young man, now I have only a wife and the most ground. So he tells that yes, they are he is having wife and at the moist ground. Moist ground means they are at the point of death. Ho 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 ho. This is to say the grave means you want to tell that you are going to be grave, और आप मरने वाले हो या आप ऐसी स्टेज में पहुंच चुके हैं जहाँ आपकी डेथ होने वाली है. My son has died and I am alive. A wonderful thing. Death mistook the door. Instead of coming to me, it went to my son. And he tells them that his son has died and he is alive still. And that is wonderful mistake done by the God, that death took his son, not to him. वो कहना चाहता है कि जो डेथ है उसने गलत दरवाज़ा खड़काया है, वो मेरे पास आनी चाहिए थी जबकि वो मेरे सन के पास चली गई. Iona turns round to tell them how his son died, but at this moment the humpback, giving a little sigh, announces, "Thank God, we have at last reached our destination." And Iona wanted to tell them more, but at that moment humpback person find relaxation that they have reached to their destination, they have reached to their place. And Iona watches them disappear through the dark entrance, and Iona sees them that they are going or disappearing in the darkness. Once more he is alone and again surrounded by silence. Now again he became alone and he is covered or surrounded by the silence. His grief, which has abated for a short while, returns and rends him heart with greater force. And the grief, the जो पेन था उसका, विच हैज़ अबैप्टेड मीन्स जो थोड़ी देर के लिए दूर हो गया था या हट गया था, वो वापस से आ गया है. रिटर्न्स एंड रैंड्स हिज हार्ट विथ ग्रेटर फोर्स, और वापस से उसके हार्ट में वो प्रॉब्लम छा गई है विथ मोर इफेक्ट ऑफ द डेथ ऑफ हिज सन. With an anxious and hurried look, he searches among the crowds passing on either side of the street to find whether there may be just one person who will listen to him. And in his silence, he was trying to search from the crowd that is there any person who can listen to him. But the crowds hurry by without noticing him or his trouble, and the crowd was passing through him without noticing him and his problem. Yet it is such an immense, illimitable grief. Should his heart break and the grief pour out, it would flow over the whole earth. So it seems, and yet no one sees it. So the grief, the problem of so immense of Iona, it was illimitable. मतलब उसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं थी. अगर उसका जो प्रॉब्लम है, जो हार्ट है, वो बाहर, उसका जो दुख है वो बाहर आ गया, तो ऐसा होगा कि उसके जो दुख का प्रवाह है, वह फ्लो है, वो पूरे अर्थ पे छा जाएगा. एंड येट देन ऑल्सो nobody is trying to seize his problem. It has managed to conceal itself in such an insignificant shell that no one can see it even by day with the light. And he has managed so effectively his grief in his heart that nobody is able to see in a day and in the light. Iona sees a hall porter with some sacking and decides to talk him. And then Iona sees a porter में सामान ले जाने वाले व्यक्ति को इधर उधर देख रहा था, and he decides to talk to him. Friend, what sort of time it is? He asks. When Iona sees the porter, he asks him that what is the time. Past 9. What are you standing here for? Move on. Then the porter replies that it is 9 o'clock. And what are you doing here? You should go away from here. Iona moves on a few steps, doubles himself up, and abandons himself to his grief. And now Iona moves further. He again folds himself due to cold. सर्दी के कारण वह वापस से अपने आप को फोल्ड कर लेता है एंड अपने दुख में डूब जाता है. He sees it is useless to turn to the people for help, and he thinks that it is useless to share feelings with the people. It is not useful to share the feelings to other people. In less than 5 minutes, he straightens himself, holds up his head as if he felt some sharp pain. And within 5 minutes, he again straightens himself. वो अपने आप को सही करता है, अपने सिर को होल्ड करता है. Again, he was in deep grief about his son and gives a tug at the reins. He can bear it no longer. और अगर वापस से वो अपने घोड़े की लगाम खींचता है, because he is not able to bear the pain of his died son. The stables, he thinks, and the little horse, as if it understood, starts off at a trot. And he then moves to the stable, and his horse also understood that he is going to listen to his owner. About an hour and a half later, Iona is seated by a large dirty stove. After half an hour, Iona was sitting near a dirty stove. उसकी फ्लेम निकल रही थी और उसके पास बैठा था. Around the stove, on the floor, on the benches, people are snoring. And around the stove, on the floor, some people are sleeping and snoring. The air is thick and suffocating hot. Due to the stove, जो एयर थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा घनी होती जा रही थी और सफोकेटिंग होती जा रही थी धुएं के कारण. Iona looks at the sleepers, scratches himself and regrets having returned so early. And Iona looks at his sleepers, उसको स्क्रैच करता है और सोचता है कि रिग्रेट करता है कि why he have come so early, he should have gone for so more passengers. I have not even earned my fodder, he thinks, and he is thinking that he could not earn as much as he can eat his food. That's what's my trouble. It is his problem. A man who knows his job, who has had enough to eat, and his host too, can always sleep peacefully. And Iona thinks that this is only his problem. A person who is able to understand or know his job, who can earn properly, and if he would know his job, he would earn properly, and he would able to eat himself, and he would able to give food to his host also, and he could, if he would have eaten properly, he could sleep peacefully. अगर उसने अच्छे से खाना खा लिया होता तो वो अच्छे से सो भी सकता है. A young cab driver is one of the corners, half gets up, grunts sleepily and stretches towards a bucket of water. और the people who are sleeping there, उनमें से एक यंग कैब ड्राइवर है, वो उठता है, वो अपने आप की स्लीपरी आवाज़ निकालता है. ग्रंट में सोकर जो उठते हैं उससे जो नॉइज़ निकलती है वो निकालता है. एंड ही मूव टूवर्ड्स अ बकेट ऑफ वाटर बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड टू ड्रिंक अ वाटर. डू यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रिंक? Iona asks him. Don't I want a drink? So Iona asks him that, do you want to drink water? Then the young cab driver replies that yes, he wants to drink water. That's so you were good health, but listen, mate, you know my son is died. Did you hear this week in the hospital? It's a long story. And he again tries to speak to the young cab driver that, are you good in health? Do you listen that my son is died, and this week he died in the hospital, and it is a very long story. Iona looks to see what effect his words have, but sees none. The young man has hidden his face and is fast asleep again. And Iona tries to see that the young man is listening to him or not, but he sees that young man again slept. He has hidden his face, means वो वापस से सो गया है और उसने अपना चादर से चेहरा छुपा लिया है. The old man sighs and scratches his head. Just as much as the young one wants to drink, the old man wants to talk. And Iona thinks that कि जैसे यंग वन को पानी पीने के लिए चाहिए, वैसे ही ओल्ड पर्सन्स को बात करने के लिए चाहिए. It will soon be weeks since his son died, and he has not been able to speak about it properly to anyone. A week has been passed when his son died, and he is not able to speak to anybody his emotions or feelings to the other person. One must tell it slowly and carefully. कुछ किसी को वो कहना चाहता था अपनी प्रॉब्लम स्लोली एंड केयरफुली. How his son fell ill. He wanted to share his feeling that how his son fell ill, how he suffered with the illness, what did he say before he died, and how he died. So Iona wanted to share the feelings that how and what happened with his son. One must describe every detail of the funeral and the journey to the hospital to fetch the dead son's clothes. He wanted to share everything that how he funeral did about his son, and how he has taken his son to the hospital, and how he has brought his son's clothes from the hospital. Everything he wanted to share with the other people. His daughter Anicia has remained in the village. One must talk about her too. And during the period of this, when his son was in the hospital and he buried his son, his daughter Anicia was in the village, and he wanted to share that how she lived in the village. It is nothing he has to tell. He has nobody to share his feeling with anybody. Surely the listeners would gasp and sigh and sympathize with him. If somebody will listen to him, every people will sympathize with him. It is better to talk to a woman, two words are enough to make them sob. And now he thinks that it is better that he should share his feeling with a woman. The woman will understand his problem. But then again he tells that if he will speak a few words about his son, the woman will try to, or women will start to cry. वो रोना शुरू कर देंगी. I will go and look after my horse, thinks Iona. There's always time to sleep, no fear of that. And now Iona thinks that he should see that horse, and there is lots of time to sleep. We should not fear or think about the sleeping. He put on his coat and goes to the stable to his horse. He thinks of the corn, the hay, the weather. Now Iona puts his coat, वो Iona अपना कोट पहनता है, and he moves to the horse, and he sees and he thinks about the corn, the food of him, the hay for his horse, and the weather which is there in the atmosphere. When he is alone, he dare not think of his son. He can speak about him to anyone, but to think of him and picture him to himself is unbearably pain. When Iona feels himself alone, he does not dare to think about his son, because whenever he thinks about his son, it gives him so much pain. He can share his feelings or emotions or pain to the other people, but thinking about his son's death and picturing that is a unbearable pain for the Iona. Are you tucking in? Iona asks his horse. Iona अपने घोड़े से पूछता है, Are you having your food? Tucking means having its food. Looking at his brighter eyes, go on, tuck in. Though we have not earned our corn, we can eat hay. So looking at the horse eyes, Iona says to him that you eat your food. We have not earned enough for the corn, but we can eat the hay. कि हमने इतना तो अर्न नहीं किया है कि हम और खाना ले सके, बट हाँ हम ये हे खा सकते हैं, हम ये चारा खा सकते हैं. Yes, I am too old to drive. My son could have, not I. Now Iona is again telling to his horse that he is too old to drive a cab. His son was able to drive a cab, not him. He was a first-rate cab driver if only he had lived. His son was a very good cab driver if he would have lived. Iona is silent for a moment, then continues. Iona कुछ समय के लिए silent हो जाता है, then again he continues and he speak whole feelings and emotion to the horse. That's how it is, my old horse. He explains everything, every detail which he wanted to share with the other people, he share with the old horse. There is no more Kuzma Lonich, and here Kuzma Lonich is the name of his son. He tells that it is no more. He has left us to live, and he went off Pope. He has left us here to live, and he died. उसने हमें यहाँ जीने के लिए छोड़ दिया है, and he himself died. Now let's say you had a foal, you are the foal's mother, and now he is telling you have also a foal. Foal is a baby of horse. So he is telling that you also is having a foal, and you are foal's mother. And suddenly let's say that foal went and left you to live after him. And he says that let's say that foal went and left you to live after him. Then he says that, and if your foal will go away, means your son will go away, it will be died, then you will live alone, and I am like this. Means his son has died, Iona's son has died, and he is left alone. It would be sad, wouldn't be? And you will also feel sad that your son is not there, your baby is not there, such that I am also feeling that because my son is also died, and I am feeling alone. The little horse munches, listens, and breathes over its master's hands. And the little horse munches means the noise of eating. जो घोड़ा खाना खा रहा है उसकी जो नॉइज़ हो रही है उसकी आवाज़ को मंचेस कहते हैं. So the horse is munching, and he listens to his master and breathes on master's hand. Iona's feelings are too much for him, and he tells the little horse the whole story. And now he shares the whole feelings and emotions to his horse, and is described each and everything to his horse. So here is the end of the story. In this story we have seen that no people is having time to listen to Iona. He tries to speak to everyone, that someone would listen to his story, and he tried his effort, but nobody has the time to listen to Iona. And at last he and his horse are left alone, and he shares his feelings with the Iona. I hope that you will understand this story